So welcome to the part two in the podcast where we are doing podcast to taking the companies and sharing experience with you guys. And the first motive, the first aim to recording this podcast or making this podcast to doing conversation better in efficient way and provide insightful information to our juniors of course.
Yeah,
So
which type of companies are came in our college and what they asked.
yeah,
That's main motive our.
many positive messages received in my DM to taking the video yesterday, and like they said कि you doing better है ना कि लोगों के बारे में मत सोचो, and they love to like how we conversation doing the perfect thing.
Or that motivates us also that by making these video they confident us.
So okay, so let's start the video by introducing myself first, and then Mohit will introduce your ourselves. So I am introducing myself. My name is Bhaskar Katara. I am a final year computer science student at MA University Jodhpur. So I belong from Bharatpur, Rajasthan basically, and my hobbies are playing badminton and like reading self-help books and doing YouTube content of course. And I'm right now I am like creating video of course. So let's introduce yourself, Mohit.
Thank you guys. My name is Mohit Kumar Jindal and I am also final year student at MB University and I belong to Mehwa, Dausa districts in Rajasthan. And here we are come to broadcast our companies about what companies are coming in our college. At yesterday we are talking about Herald Logic and what are the you can say what are the mistakes I have done in that interview and what I learned from that interview that I will take a later.
So as a start, we discussed about things in previous video where Mohit shared our experience, their experience, like how he like cracked the aptitude round of ASA role in Herald Logic, and he like gave interview, but unfortunately he failed that interview. And today today now we are discussing, okay, or learning from the Mohit itself, ki how the things are going better after he gave the interview unsuccessfully and how he like improved things. So we can discuss now. So please.
As in ASA role, there is no technical background. There is all at least you can say testing background. So there is a misconception is me that I am weak in communication. So after that interview, I worked on my communication by talking him. I mean Bhaskar in English communication and by making videos and by reading some novels also, so that I and watch movies, English movies and series, web series also. So I think I will improve my communication day by day. I think after that interview. And second one thing, I improve my technical skills as well because after Herald Logic, which companies are come in college, they are asked from tech questions also. So I'm improving my technical skills like our core subjects like TVMS or
right.
etc. That I improve.
So glad to hear that. So Mohit, can you elaborate more specific about the role? What was the role of ASA and what we have to do if we selected on the ASA role, and how we apply on off campus rather than on campus? How to approach the HR, as you failed off campus in ASA, but he like unfortunately he not cracked that house even interview. So please here.
So ASA role is basically a mediator between client and developer. It means he asked the requirements from the clients and that requirements collect and understand what the client's requirements and that give to it developer.
Basically,
And after
ASA man work in man in the middle between the developer and client.
Client.
He understand the requirement of the
Clients.
and he explain the requirement to the technical person in their technical knowledge. Basically, the work is man in middle.
And after that making the what the requirement upon the requirement of client, developer gave the tech, so it means a website or application to the to the mediator, it meant ASA role. So he also testing is it to fulfill the requirements of client or not. If it satisfy, then he deliver to the client. If it not satisfy, then he give back to the developer and say something like these are the changes you have to made, these are not satisfied, and this the main concern that he have to test, it's the main part of the testing. Sorry. So basically belongs to technical round, it means testing. software engineering is main part, because in software engineering you have to know about the requirements, how to collect the requirements. Second part is designing. After designing, you have to code implementation, which is part of developer, and after that testing and deployment, and after that work goes to the
And guys,
client.
I am hearing Mohit right now, so I can proudly say कि Mohit communication is doing better to better day by day. Because when I heard one time, like previously, Mohit when he explained me something in English. So he doing fluctuation in their tongue and language, and currently he doing better and better, but day by day, and he doing like great, and the English and communication of that person is like going good day by day. So this is the way we can improve the things and doing better in our life, and don't care about the how what people think. Okay, just record a video, whatever you are saying. And don't judge anyone. You know, person forget you like how like you said in previous video how you talk.
I watch a video, it means short reel by famous IPS Saifan Hussain.
Yes.
When he go to the Guwahati IIT college, then he blink in English. He doesn't know the English and proper Hindi as well.
His
He-
mind getting like blank.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he doesn't know about the English and Hindi, but he spent 4 years in the college, and he talks in English by his colleagues, and the colleagues are laughed at him because he is not good in English, but he cracks IPS, it means UPSC exam in the English medium field. You can think that if a person who is not quite English and Hindi doesn't know in the 12th class, and after he completing his graduation by 4 year, and he selected in IPS, so
Mohit,
he can change.
many people like saying day by day, or like many people say कि environment is more, like environment does matter to improve our communication on a daily basis. So like how you improve your communication day by day, as I see you are previously and now you Mohit are good to compare
Yeah.
with.
It's matter that how your environment work out, but who creates environment? You create
You
also environment.
obviously you create itself.
So
You can create environment by recording simply a video itself in front of your mirror, in front of your camera. But if you want to communicate, if you want to improve your communication, you have to take steps,
Yeah.
obviously.
Um, because I have not selected in the Herald Logic. After that, I have read a book which is Atomic Habit.
Yeah.
So in that I have learned many English pronunciation, and after that reading the book, I am confident in that I will improve my English. And after that, I watch some English movies, as I said, and read subtitles as well. So it's also improve. After that, my colleagues like Bhaskar and in my hostel there Lakshesh Dave and many persons also there. So they also motivate me that speak in English so that it's improved by yourself. No other one can improve your English.
And your classmates and your friends play a
Very vital role.
very vital role to improve. Okay, and many people's I am telling, or I am like doing communication with other people in English regularly, but they be like यार कि क्या English बोल रहा है, हिंदी में बोल दे. So this is not the matter.
Or you can see also that as we made a video yesterday, and as we are made a video today, there's big difference in English as
Yeah.
well. And after 10 days, we also made a video. Then you will see that on the first day and the last 10 day,
Yeah, of
there's
course,
big
I am-
difference
I am-
in our communication.
Here I am sitting and I am doing confidently, and I am like fluently in my way. To compare the yesterday video, I am fluctuating too much, okay, in the camera, in front of camera.
Yeah,
And I am
or
doing
it's
better.
also matter that we are talking in front of camera. It means how many persons are watching us on the YouTube. So it's also matters and
So I think we are going away from the topic, guys.
Yeah, sorry, guys.
Sorry for the this topic, but this is also important. So we are talking about the ASA role, and he talked about your failures and the things he improved during the ASA role, during ASA and failure. So the second company which visited in our company, which our campus is Kanerka PVT Ltd. This was basically our Hyderabad-based company, which our one of the alumni our college, and like we both sat into the company, and like, but unfortunately we didn't clarify the aptitude round itself, and almost 17 people has cleared.
No, 10 people.
10 people had cleared the aptitude round
Among 35.
among 35,
candidates.
and like 3 of 10 among 10 then selected, and I
Yeah.
think it would be going to Hyderabad soon, but I don't think so ki they will go, because
Okay.
many one of them or two of them try to crack off campus interview, and personally I like suggest you ki try to get off campus. And
Yeah, if you are selected in any company, then it doesn't matter that you are not improve yourself and doesn't apply for off campus, because if you are suppose that in on campus your CTC is like a 6 LPA,
Yeah.
then why you not go for off campus? You have to apply for off campus. If they company in off campus gave you 7 like 8 LPA or more, then you have to switch.
Yeah, actually, I also reached to the HR, and he sent me the aptitude test, and like I cleared the aptitude test in off campus, and then he will he was कि आपका इंटरव्यू होगा, then he like delayed day by day, but unfortunately a day ago he like sent me a message कि we didn't
We
do
close our on campus
on
and
campus
and off campus
we
hiring.
close our freshers hiring for this year, and you can you may visit the company
You
website.
can contact to us
25.
after May 2025, I think.
So basically this is for this video, and I hope you guys doing all well, and keep subscribing, and अगर आपको बढ़िया लग रहा है तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो और लाइक कर सकते हो, और अपने टीममेट्स और बैचमेट्स जो भी हैं उनका शेयर कर सकते हो.
और हमारी कमियां भी बताएं ताकि हम अपने आप में
Yeah,
और
yeah.
इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकें. सो थैंक यू गाइस.
Yeah, please share your views on our conversation, and write comments.
Or you can contact us on our Instagram page also.
We have not Instagram page.